Hi dears, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another easy and tasty breakfast recipe, hash brown. It's the pure taste of potatoes with a little spicy touch that enhances its aroma and flavor. This is the simplest recipe to make with less ingredients, so let's begin. For that I have taken 4 potatoes around 500 grams. Peel them nicely and wash it well. Grate the potatoes using a grater. For getting the crispiest hash brown, we need to remove the starch from the potatoes. Rinsing shredded potatoes with cold water helps remove excess starch and make potatoes more crispy. So, add them into a bowl of cold water just to get rid of the starch. Rinse it well. And then take a strainer, put a clean cloth or kitchen towel. Place the potatoes into the cloth. Give it a good squeeze, just get all the excess water. Keep aside as it is. Chopping a medium-sized onion, 3 to 4 green chillies. It's depend on your spicy level. Grate 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Add the shredded potatoes into a bowl. Adding chopped onion, green chillies and garlic. Add half a cup mozzarella cheese, it's optional. Goes in 1 teaspoon paprika. You may also add red chili powder instead. Just half a teaspoon oregano. You may add any herbs of your choice. And some salt. To this adding 3 to 4 teaspoon all-purpose flour. And 2 teaspoon rice flour. Mix it together very gently. And then add 2 eggs. Again mix it well combined with your hand. This is the right consistency. If your potato mix is too watery, then add more all-purpose flour. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. After that, take a spoonful of potato mixture, press and shape it whatever shape you like using your palm in a 1/2 inch thick. Heat a pan over medium flame, add some oil. When the oil is hot, place the potatoes. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Flip it very carefully using 2 spatulas. Our hash browns are well cooked. Take them off the pan and place them on paper towels. If this step is not convenient, you may also take a spoon of potatoes, place it into the pan, then shape them flat using a spoon, then cook it. Serve immediately with ketchup or any sauce. These are so delicious with a crispy outside and super soft inside. That's all for today. Do try out and let me know your lovely feedback. The crunching sound of hash brown while eating fills your ears, a divine that is loved by and its mild taste is dying for. Do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.